What is going on, guys? Marcus here, back with another video. We are in Buenos Aires, Argentina. I need to go pick up my laundry, but today's video is gonna be all about my beautiful breakfast that has helped keep me massive, high testosterone, just feeling like amazing. It's a breakfast that I've been eating every single day for like the last however many years, and it just is amazing. Hola. Oh, solo efectivo o tarjeta?
Débito, pues.
Just like that, folks, we're gonna get right into my breakfast. So to start off my breakfast here, the most controversial item is the bread. I personally am a bread enjoyer. Back at home, I have chosen to start eating sourdough bread. Here, I don't really have that choice, that selection. I'm not really in a state of get everything I want. Right now, I'm in a state of survive for a little bit. So we just got nice little bread. Now the bread here is amazing. Now I understand that bread is often inflammatory. It could have seed oils in it. It's got sugar in it. You know, it's got not the most ideal things. I like bread. I like to put my eggs on top of something. So this is a sacrifice that I have chosen to make because it tastes good. Here we have ground beef. This is kind of my lifeline. This is how I basically eat with every single meal. It's the cheapest kind of meat that you can get, or I'm gonna find out if it is. Maybe there's cheaper stuff out there now that I'm in Argentina. But it's cheap, it's got healthy fats. And the reason I throw the ground beef in there is to get those micronutrients, the ones I'm listing on the screen here that meat provides, and just a little bit more protein, a little bit more nutrition out of this breakfast. Next up on the list, we have obviously eggs, guys. Eggs are the superfood of the world. So cheap, so easy to make, full of protein, full of healthy fats. Like, if you do not eat eggs, you need to really sit down, look at yourself, and make a new decision that you're gonna start your new life. Start eating eggs just like a regular adult person. So I toss 3 eggs in here. It can be 2 on days I'm not so hungry. It could be 4s on days that I know I'm not gonna eat more that day, so I shove as much as I can. Scramble those eggs, very easy. I just scramble it until it's all cooked, obviously. I like to add a little bit of flavor onto the bread, so what I do there is I toss in some butter, I toss on some cheese. That way the butter melts, it makes it a little bit juicier, the cheese melts, and it adds a little bit more flavor, because all I add is salt to this meal. Like it's just salt. And there you have it. That is my breakfast that I eat every single day. You may be asking, okay, how many calories is that? I don't know. I don't really care. Listen, I've been at 170 pounds for the last 2 years, basically eating the same breakfast. And I don't care. I don't care how many calories it is. I don't count my calories during the day ever, because I'm just eating whole, unprocessed, healthy foods. I eat until I'm full. My body sits at the body fat that I want it to be, which is why year round I can look lean enough to have abs. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm pumping out videos like crazy right now. Leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.